Hi everybody, this is Linda. Welcome back to Handsthatcook. Pull up a chair, we're going to get started with this recipe, and it's a spicy mayonnaise that's going to kick up your sandwich. You know, mayonnaise and mustard and ketchup, they need a boost sometimes. Or just, I like mayonnaise on my sandwiches, so that's what we're going to boost. And I have some mayonnaise in this jar, in this bowl I meant, and it's about a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm pouring it into my mini chopper. Although, you know, a regular little chopper will do, a blender will do, whatever you have. But this really isn't a recipe that you can do by hand. There's just, can't get it perfected. It won't get fine enough. Alright, so this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. Sorry it's taken me so long. I'm one of those people, I just don't like to waste anything. And that's the way my mother was. I probably got it from her. Alright, 1 cup of mayonnaise. One clove of garlic. Get you up a little bit higher. If that's a small clove, add another small clove for a good clove of garlic. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use lime juice. Use whatever you have. And then chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Now these little boogers, they're hot. So if you don't like heat, cut it in half. Or if you don't want very much heat at all, just use the sauce. The sauce that it comes in. Get you a nice tablespoon of it. But I've got one that I already cut in half because I'm not sure how hot I want mine. Now I'm going to put the juice in there with it. And if it's not hot enough, I'm going to, I'll put the other half in. I'm going to throw in just a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of salt, put the lid on. Whoop. Here we go. It's got a nice little creamy color to it. Well, I've tasted it. Now, and I'm going to add the other half of that chipotle pepper. And I'll just tell you that I'm not real fond of things that are so hot you don't enjoy what you put it on. But this doesn't have enough kick for me. Now it may for you. I'm also going to add a little more garlic to it. You want all that chipotle pepper, you know, as fine as you can get it in here. That's why I'm grinding this up for so long. Oh, it looks marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. Let me get this back down in here, and I'm going to give it a taste. I don't want to waste any of it. Although, you know, this is really a fairly inexpensive spread to make. It's not expensive at all. I always have garlic in my house. And I always buy a little jar of chipotle peppers just in case I need them. And I'll tell you what to do with what's left over rather than set them in the refrigerator and let them get bad. They'll go bad. Put the chipotles, take them out, put them in a Ziploc freezer bag, and freeze them. Put the juice or the sauce that's in there with it, put it in another freezer bag and freeze it. Then when you need some of it, you can just break it off. It'll be frozen. You can just break it off. Alright, that's... There we go. I'm going to get a little fork and taste this. Now, I'm not going to make anything with it today. But on the next video, I am. So here's my fork. I love it. All right, you know how much sauce you chipotle you put in there is going to depend on how hot you like things. And just like I said, just start out with a half of one and get it all ground up. And taste it. If that's not enough, well, then you're going to add the other half, or add some of the sauce. But this is delicious. Be good on any kind of sandwich you want to put it on. I think maybe next time I may cut the lemon juice down to 1 tablespoon instead of 2. So you might want to start out with 1. And that's all for today. You have to wait till my next video to see how I'm going to use this. And thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. It's a blessing for me. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. It's delicious, but cut back on that lemon juice a little bit. Until next time, you all take care. Let me give you a close-up on this. Whoop. Now, if I wasn't making this for just me and Sam, I wouldn't be double dipping here. But there it is. It's just delicious. All right. Until next time, God bless every one of you. As I forgot to tell you, have a jar ready so that you can put it in the jar and put it in the refrigerator, and it'll stay good a long time. And that's it. God bless you. Hey, we're back. I forgot to show you, this is my bag of chipotle and peppers. And you mash them till they're flat in the package. So when you freeze them, they're thin and you can just break it off. So I wanted you to see that, and I didn't want to forget to add that to the video. Write the date on it, write what's in there, because sometimes you forget what you put in a bag. And I know somebody thought they were giving me one thing. I forgot what they thought they were giving me in a frozen, something that they had frozen. And then when I opened it and put it in a pan to cook it, it was creamed corn, homemade creamed corn. And I told her, "You sent me creamed corn." And she said, "Oh, if I'd known that, I wouldn't have given it to you." That's my favorite. So anyway, this is how you store it. Just lay it flat in the freezer. Once it freezes, you can put it anywhere. But I mean, it's easy to just break off. It's brittle after it's frozen. So you guys take care. I love every one of you. Thank you for coming in today, and God bless all of you.